Ngapdeng sobaya piki parlok ke episode tenan ban pai akan ke video ha kan ke channel wat emplet parlok ban highlight la episode tenan akan ke video ban subscribe la don na pedeng jong pi ke dong tamai kan mau ban activate your bell icon kan video ki pang ke video ki episode tenan de menta parlok tongin pai syak ne ke kubur bu Cristiano Ronaldo unsele kaino ku fast 11 pura bat ke klub ban anstang ke jingile kai persya ke Real Sociedad ha Europa League ong Ten Hag hakilat patai kubur Habakalina kementa ke jingsha pencong ben Cristiano Ronaldo haki sauteli ki jingelekai u Ten Hag uong ka daina ka daw ba umpat yo ya ka training ka papiang ndre menta kala biang yo ban longno ku players ba pura ban ialehkai bat ka club de menta perlok tongin pai kumno Ten Hag uong lengba ka ne ka video.
You understand fans and that they dream, and of course the standards of Man United has to be, but we are in the start from a process. We are still far away. We have to get doing things much better than we do now, and that is an investment we have to do. We have to go that way together every day, bringing that high standards to Carrington, and so more from the prospect from good is not good enough. We have to get better, but the players know that we have to get better if you want to win trophies in the end. But I'm not dreaming from that. First, what we have to do, and that is what the fans can expect, we have to win every game. So they have to see that the game is coming on with the attitude we have to win it.
Cristiano Ronaldo, you said he would stay until September at the earliest. He is now your player. The window is virtually closed.
As we said,
as you said, exactly as you said. But does he have to accept that he's going to have perhaps a bit part role in your starting 11 from here on in?
No, it's really early in the season, and we have a squad, and we have more than 11 starting 11 players, and that is what you see now. And what players who are now on the bench, they can play in 1, 2 or 3 weeks. He started against Brentford.
Then not since.
Then not since, but he is ready to start. Yeah.
Given his age and your demands on that position, can you see him? Is it possible for him to be a starting centre forward for the majority of the season?
Of course. I see a happy Marcus Rashford, and I see some faces in this game what we could improve, and we worked really hard the last 2.5 months with him on different aspects, and he likes it, and he wants to transfer it to the pitch, and that is what you see in this moment. And it started with happiness. He really he's coming here every day. He enjoys it. He's really smiling. A really positive vibe. And now, if you put all those things together, like the way of play, you want to transfer and improve different aspects of your game, and you are happy. You will be more contribution to the team.